Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on the topic of legal processes to start a business in India. Starting a business in India can be a challenging but rewarding experience. However, navigating the legal processes involved can be quite daunting. In this video, we will provide you with a step-by-step guide on the legal procedures required to start a business in India. Step 1. Decide on the type of business entity. The first step in starting a business in India is to decide on the type of business entity that you want to form. You can choose from a range of business entities including sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability partnership, private limited company, and public limited company. Each type of entity has its own legal requirements, so it's important to choose the right one for your business. Step 2. Obtain a digital signature certificate, DSC. Once you have decided on the type of business entity, you need to obtain a digital signature certificate, DSC. This is a digital certificate that verifies the authenticity of electronic documents. You can obtain a DSC from a government-approved agency. Step 3. Obtain a Director Identification Number, DIN. If you are starting a private limited company or a public limited company, you need to obtain a Director Identification Number, DIN. This is a unique identification number assigned to each director of a company. You can obtain a DIN by submitting an online application to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Step 4. Reserve a company name. Once you have obtained your DSC and DIN, you need to reserve a company name. You can do this by submitting an online application to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Your company name must comply with the naming guidelines provided by the government. Step 5. File the incorporation documents. After reserving your company name, you need to file the incorporation documents with the Registrar of Companies, ROC. The incorporation documents include the Memorandum of Association, MOA, and the Articles of Association, AOA. These documents outline the purpose, objectives, and rules of your company. Step 6. Obtain a Permanent Account Number, PAN. Once your company has been registered with the ROC, you need to obtain a Permanent Account Number, PAN, from the Income Tax Department. A PAN is a unique identification number assigned to each taxpayer in India. Step 7. Register for Goods and Services Tax, GST. If your business involves the sale of goods or services, you need to register for Goods and Services Tax, GST. This is a tax levied on the sale of goods and services in India. You can register for GST online through the GST portal. Step 8. Register for Employees Provident Fund, EPF. If you plan to hire employees, you need to register for the Employees Provident Fund, EPF. This is a mandatory savings scheme for employees in India. You can register for EPF online through the EPF portal. In conclusion, starting a business in India involves several legal procedures that must be followed. By following these steps, you can ensure that your business is legally compliant and ready to operate in India. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the legal processes required to start a business in India. Thank you for watching.